what's going on, guys? It's Alex with Finite to Freedom. Welcome back on our second video with the stock analysis for the Google, Meta and BBAI. Now let's jump into the main screen and we can see here about the Google. We closed at $204.91 on Friday, but due to the news we received with the summit in Alaska, now we are going to do about this week what we can expect, and every single day we can upgrade the technical analysis for our chart. Now, what a day, what a week, and let's go. As you can see, I've got the resistance at $208.74 and the support level at $196.68. Now we can see this Friday it's a neutral signal, so now we can go both directions, right? If though we can actually have, let me rephrase that, we can actually see Google going to test the $208.74 and we can actually after that go back down. But if we do break above the $208.74, we are having an all-time high, a new all-time high, and then we can upgrade our technical charts with more resistances. But so far, that's one case scenario. We can test it and go back down, or we can test it and break above. But in case we do test it and go back down, I'm anticipating the $196.68 support level, and then if we break it below that, we can expect the $187.24, and that's going to be, let me take this signal here. It's if that happens, it's an 8.62%. It's an 8.62%. Rephrase that. The gap basically, right? So we can go 8.62% down from the current position. If we do though go back up and test the resistance, that's a 1.84% difference. We can actually see it going there. Now that's about Google. Meta, we're going now there to Meta. Let me expand it a little bit higher. There you go. Now Meta, it did test the resistance at $796.65 and went back down to our support level $784.20. But because we closed above this, now this comes as a support level, right? And if we do open below this, we can expect to trade in this space here, which is between $746.84, which is our support, and the $784.20, which is our first support, right? So if we do break below that, we can expect this support level here and trade up and down to this for a little bit. Now, if we do open above this support level, as we currently are above it, then we can expect another test on the resistance. So that's about Meta. BBAI, what a day, what a week. BBAI has a really strong bullish signal, and we saw it after recovering so fast from the earnings. That's why I'm saying what a week for BBAI. It has nothing to do with where I invested and everything like that. I have invested in this because I want to make more profits, and it has as it's not like Nvidia, but it has more risk and more volatility. But the more I learn about this company, the more about the charts, then the risk it comes down. So less risk. And yeah, so it has really fast recovery from the earnings, and then we remained neutral in this bearish signal, the red signal, the red candle. Apologies for the mistake. And then we created two bullish signals, so two bullish candles. Now, as long as we are remaining above the support level, we can trade between this space here. So the $5.87 and the $6.28. Now, if we do break above this resistance, which I believe, if the market doesn't get affected by the news from the summit in Alaska, then that's wonderful. But if it does, then I'm anticipating to come down. And if we do break below the support level at $5.87, then we can expect another down trend, right? But if we do open above it and we still remain above it, right? We closed at $6.14, and if we do remain above it, then I'm anticipating a break above the resistance at $6.28 and heading towards the $6.72 and $6.90. And if we do break all these resistances, I see a really good reason to even go further up from the $7.10. That's about BBAI, Meta, and Google. If you guys want to subscribe to help us grow as a channel, I mentioned it on the previous video that I might not be a professional. I might have not got a degree into charts or anything. I don't even know if you can have a degree on analysis and everything. But that doesn't mean that I can't have more knowledge than these people or same knowledge with these people, right? Knowledge, a degree actually doesn't show how much knowledge you have, right? If for example someone spends a lot of time on this, I guarantee you will have same knowledge than with the people that they have a degree. And that's why I'm saying I'm not a professional, but that doesn't mean that I don't have a really good knowledge with the charts or the stock market or anything like that. So that doesn't mean anything at all, right? Having a paper or using the word, oh, I'm not a professional or I am a professional, doesn't mean anything. If you can actually do it, that means you have a really good knowledge. And yeah, so even though that I use the expression I'm not professional, it's because I can turn around and rephrase it and say I've got a really good knowledge about reading charts. There you go. So you get what I mean, right? So there we go. If you guys want to subscribe anyways, to help us grow as a channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications by hitting the bell, and you can actually receive the latest videos that they are coming online on our channel. There we go. Now, if you guys want to hit the like button, I'll appreciate that very, very much, and that can lead actually the videos to be more out there, and people can notice us easier. And because of YouTube, basically, YouTube, if you have 100 likes on the video, then YouTube suggests that video out there to more people, and that can lead into more people coming aboard and creating a really, really powerful community or family. I have it as a family, to be honest. I don't see it only as a community, I see it as a family. And I spend a lot of time here, mainly most of my time, right? Daily. And and yeah, like this is about it, guys. This is about growing and growing with people around you and seeing them actually growing as well, right? That's the beauty of it, growing together. So it doesn't really matter if you're professional or not, it's about growth. And that adds into my previous statement. So our next video is about Palantir, QUBT and QBTS. So Palantir, quantum computing and D-Wave, and more videos are coming on the channel. So in here you will see my last video with the technical analysis for Nvidia, AMD and Apple, and in here you will see the playlist that you can guys actually click on it and have all the videos that we have created, and you can see anything you like or you missed anything. And in here you will see my logo. If you drag your mouse, you can see more details about what we do, and subscribe actually as well. So thank you very much, guys. Have a wonderful morning again, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.